Hey you guys, join me to unbox this huge package from the TikTok shop. They are basically hair, by the way. So yeah, let's get right into it. Be ready you guys, because I have a lot of gorgeous hair to show you, and I know I'm going to run out of words to describe this hair, the gorgeousness of this hair. So this one happens to be the first one, and it came in this beautiful two color. Oh, tell me this isn't pretty. Tell me this hair isn't gorgeous. By the way, it's a synthetic hair. This actual one is a synthetic hair, but you cannot tell it apart. You can't, you guys. Look at the way my fingers is running through the hair. I haven't combed, I haven't brushed. This is exactly how it came. You guys saw. You saw it, me opening it up, right? So yeah, I can't wait to try this one on. I can imagine how gorgeous it's going to look on me already. So this is what the inside looks like. Oh, by the way, I am going to make a dedicated video on each of these hair, wearing and styling them, so just keep your fingers crossed, okay? So this happens to be the second one. This one is a yaki hair. It's not human hair. Yeah, it's not human hair, it's yaki texture. But you guys, look at that. This is one of the layered wig, right? I can imagine how gorgeous this is going to look on me, you guys. Oh my god, it's been a minute since I last wore a yaki hair texture. I'm looking forward to this, honestly. Take a look at that. Look at that. Look at those feathers. Oh my god, so pretty. Yes, and look at the lace, you guys. So nice. Well made. Yeah, you see how satisfied I was with it. I was like, perfect. So this is another hair. I know this is not going to be some of you guys' cup of tea, but do you know I have longed to try this hairstyle. Sometimes you just need that quick hair to throw on when you're running errands, you understand? And I believe this is going to do it for me. Yeah, I can't wait to try this wig on, okay? And yeah, here comes another one. Oh, by the way, you see the other hairs, oh my god, you see the other hairs I've unboxed and some that I'm going to unbox later. One thing that I got disappointed in is that some of them do not have their name labeled, or labeled to it. That is so frustrating. But this very one I'm unboxing right here is from Anytime Hair. This is 100% human hair. You can tell it came with some hair essentials, and this is what it looks like. It's a short wig, and I so cannot wait to install this hair. I cannot wait to see me or rather see this hair on me. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to make another video installing, styling this hair, so just be patient with me. And you guys, this is going to be an interesting series because a lot of hairs are coming. Okay, so this is it. Take a look at that pretty black color. So nice. And here comes another hair. I think this is another yaki hair texture, I guess. Yeah, it's another yaki hair texture, but this one is in a different color. This is a brown color. So pretty. It's more like coffee brown, I guess. I know this is going to eat on me. All right, so this is what it looks like. Oh god, so pretty. Yes. Yeah, so that's what this looks like, and this is what the inside looks like. Basically almost same as the one I showed you guys before, but the lace is perfect. The lace is nice. Okay, yeah, that's what that looks like. And now there is another one. This one is also a human hair. Like I said, there is no name tag to them, so I'll have to do extra work to go search for the names. I will definitely link them up in my coming videos. Okay, just keep your fingers crossed like I mentioned earlier. So this is a wig with fringe, and I do have something like this in a black color, hence why I went for this color, because try something new, right? So, oh, you guys, you'll love my previous PC cut, rather short PC cut hair or wig, and then I decided to bring some other colors to you guys. Take a look at this one. Isn't this so pretty? And I can't wait to try that on. And here is the last one for this video, you guys. So pretty, burgundy PC cut hair or wig. It 8, you guys. Yes, I've tried this on. That's what I'm saying, 8. Okay, I can't wait to show you guys all of that. Thank you so much, you guys. And this is basically, don't forget to let me know what you think. Bye.